1, 2, 3, funky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Shannon, and for today's video I'll be teaching you how to create this wiggle effect using only an iPhone and using only free apps from the App Store. So if you want to know how to create this one, just keep on watching this video. So first things first, you have to go to the app called Phonto and click plain image. After clicking plain image, you just have to change the color. So I prefer to have an orangey background for my background. Yeah. And then what you want to do next is to edit the size according to the iPhone that you're using. So for my case, I'm using an iPhone 6s Plus. Then just click use. And then now we are going to add our text. So for my case, I'll be using my channel name, Shannen Creatives. You can use any text that you want for your intros. Yeah. And then you can just use align center by clicking the align, and then there you go. You can now move, or you can also change the font according to the font that you want. So here I'm just browsing some of the fonts, and then I'll be putting it right here. You can move the text. You can also play around it. So here I'm just placing it at the center, making sure that it's really at the center. Now you can also click on text stroke. Yeah, that's the outline of the text that you have. Yeah, you can just play with it. I'm just playing with the shadows right here to make it more baddie, but at the same time cool, if that's what you mean. So you can change it up however you want. Okay, this alpha, blur. Yeah, so mainly I'm using the alpha in this one. You can also change the spacing by just moving around. And then the next step is that you have to make sure again that it's on the center. And then now you can export the image to your camera roll. So when it says saved successfully, you can now go to your next app, which is the iMovie. So here we are just going to create a movie, and then just choose the image that we just created, and then yeah, there. So here guys, you have, as you can see, the image is actually moving. You have to pinch it outside so that it will be fixed, and then just click the Ken Burns enabled or disabled to make it, yeah. I prefer making it longer so that if you get caught up, you can just edit it out. I put it at 10 seconds, and then now you can export it. Just choose HD 1080p, exporting the movie, and then now you have it there. Next one, you have to go to the next app, which is Videostar. Edit video. You just have to look for the recently added from our iMovie, and there you go. The next step is that you have to click the make video. So just wait for it. Yeah. And then click new, click re-effect, click that bottom part, just click that plus button, and then the magnifying glass, search for wave. There it is. There you can adjust it according to the way you want the wave to go on. So I'm just using left. Yeah, there you go. You can play with it any way you want, and then just click that one. You will now have to customize this one too by just clicking it up or down, and then just click that one. Just wait for it to process, and then processing. Yeah, you just have to be patient in this one. So now you have it, and then you just click X, and you can now send it to your camera roll. So guys, while I'm doing this one, the next step that we are going to do is to add a green screen. So you have to download a green screen video from YouTube. You guys know how to download it according to your own means. So here you are going to create again. So we are already done with the wiggle part. Now we are going to do the green screen part. So there is my video. It already wiggles, so let's just add video, add the green screen, then just cut it, paste it right there. So in that case, so you can just duplicate according to the way you want it, but guys, you have the freedom to cut the video whenever you like. So here's mine. It looks a bit lengthy, it's 10 seconds, but you can do your own thing. You can also lengthen it if you want. So there, you just have now to add the audio. Yeah. So there you go, guys. I chose playful and the video is okay. So now that should be good. We just have to export it to our camera roll and that is good to go. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, and if you want to have updates on my upcoming videos, you can just click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell beside it. So again, this is Shannon and thank you for watching.